you're trying your best. You pray, you work hard, you stay patient. But nothing seems to change. No one claps. No one notices. But here's the truth. Allah sees every bit of effort you make in silence. In a world obsessed with results, Allah values effort. When you wake up for far, even if you're half asleep, He sees it. When you bite your tongue instead of arguing, He sees it. When you forgive someone just to please Him, He records it. You may not get recognition from people, but your every small action echoes in the heavens. This verse reminds us.
وَقُلِ اعْمَلُوا فَسَيَرَى اللَّهُ عَمَلَكُمْ وَرَسُولُهُ وَالْمُؤْمِنُونَ.
And say, do as you will, for Allah will see your deeds, and so will His messenger and the believers. Allah will see your deeds. Even if you fail, even if you stumble, what matters is, you tried for Him. On the day of judgment, it won't be about perfection. It'll be about effort, sincerity, and intention. So don't stop because no one praises you. Keep doing good, quietly, consistently. Because the one who truly matters has already noticed you. Comment, Ya Allah, accept my efforts, even when no one else sees them. Save this reminder, effort in silence is worship in secret. Follow for daily Quranic motivation that reminds your heart who you're doing it for.